everyone, this is Yulia from Notes and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today will be the huge video of something interesting. We will be unboxing not one, not two, but a lot of packages. I just came back from the post office and I got this. So I got this one package, and I got this one huge package. And what else? I got this one package, and I got this one, and I got this one package. So yeah, see, a lot of stuff, I don't know what from start to, but we will start from something interesting, and I guess this will be the microphone. But in what package is it? Let's find out. So stay with me, give me the buttons up, please subscribe, and let's unbox something interesting. So let's begin from this black package. I hope that the microphone is here. So we got two of these black packages, and I know that there is the microphone and the ring light and some of the phone holders and monopod. I'm so sorry, but let's make it quick. So let's make it right. If you love ASMR videos, so you came right back. And I tried to make it quick because I got only half an hour. Yeah, so there is the something beautiful in here. So I got only half an hour because we got a blackout due to the Russia attack on our country. So we got the blackout. It for about 3 hours. For 3 hours, 3 times a day. So we don't have light for about 9 hours a day. So yeah, sometimes it can be worse. So I got the Let Professional Photography Feel Light. See, I bought it for the filming myself because you see a lot of shadows. I guess when the blackout will be, I will turn it on so we can continue. So I can continue filming you a video for you. So it got the what is the name of this remote control? Okay, and the light. Okay, let's test it. So I got something, it's like phone holders, I guess. Yeah, you see I guess it's like phone holder. Okay, and I got here it's my check. So the microphone, the monopod, the ring light, and it's a check. Okay, it's the check, and we got the ring light. One more. Yeah, cool. And what else? And I got the monopod. I guess we will try it now when I find the microphone. I'm sorry, I made it quick because, you know, the situation. I want to. This box is huge. Yeah, this box is huge. I got a lot of packaging out here. So, where is the moment of truth? Where is the microphone? Something. Nope. Okay, as I'm filming the video, I can totally say that I can see the microphones here. So, one more time. Oh my god, I'm starting to worry a lot. So yeah, the microphone is with the light, right? And I got a present from the shop. It's the phone microphone holder. Yeah, see? But I got this beautiful that I won, that I got in Slovakia. So yeah, let's see. So I got the microphone Boya. This is a double microphone, so not only me but someone else could could record their voice too. I will try to open it carefully. So right, okay, the moment of truth, and let's try it on me in a few seconds. So yeah, it's working. I just tried to record something for a few seconds, and yes, you will see and hear the difference, I hope. Okay, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, it's a lot of laugh from me. It's a lot of laugh from me. Okay, we are going we are going next. So I got some tools for the ring light here. Okay. I think you'll never hear me laugh for a lot of my videos. You never heard me laugh. So yeah, so I got a lot of things in here for my ring light, and I tried to do this. Okay, so this is the monopod. This is the monopod. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. It's lock, unlock, it's lock and unlock, and I got the remote control in here that is connected to Bluetooth. Oops, okay. I will figure it out how it's working, but I know that it's okay. How does it work? Okay, this is a phone holder as far as I know. This is the phone holder, right? I don't want to ruin. And this is for the light, I guess. You can put up here some light, I guess. Okay. Good. Maybe this video will last. Maybe this video I will record a few hours because of blackout, but I hope you don't notice. Notice it. Okay, something is far. This thing is fall. This is the phone holder again, and I got here the. Oh, I know what is this. This is the holder for the yes. This is the holder for the subject filming. I will show you in a few moments, I guess, how does it work. And I want you to see the full picture of my table. Okay. yeah, this is almost the same thing. I guess I got 3. Yeah, I got 3 holders. It's the same. Yeah, I know, but I need light, and I need this is 2 meters, like, I don't know what does it call in English. This is the ring light holder, and maybe this, or maybe not. Okay, this is the ring light, or the LED light holder. For it is with the 2 meters high. So yeah, because I'm 1 meter 60 centimeters high, and this is 2 meters, so it will be much higher than me. Okay, so I make one of these things work, and I will show you, and we will continue with one of these things, and not on ring light, which is now just holding my phone. So I will see you in a moment. So now you can see me well. Yeah, and let's finish with the last 3 bots and continue unboxing. So see, there is no light, it's a black out right now. So let's do it up here and make it good, right? Right there. Yep, good. And it will stand there, and let's plug it into the power bank. Okay, and where is it? It's here, and ta-da! So yeah, there is a lot of light. I need to, oops, there is a lot of empty boxes, so I need to figure it out how it's better will be when the light on me or in the wall. So this is the color light as far as I know. Let's make it looking right there. Yeah, and this is the color light. See, and we got, where is it? And we got, yeah, we got different colors in here, so we can make studio vlog really colorful. So yeah, and I also got this huge thing right there to film the Plan With Me video better, because you see this is my old lamp, and it's just really heavy, and sometimes the video can be just not looking great. But yeah, this is me, this is my studio. Oops. This is me, and this is my studio. So let's unbox the other stuff next. So wait, we also got, where is it? We also got the ring light. It's smaller than mine, green light a little bit, but it's supposed to be up there, yeah. Or I can use it right here or here. But I think that I don't need it for now. We will unbox. This is what the first two boxes, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Yeah, continue. So, continue. Here is the new light. Yep, here is the new light, and it seems like it's a daylight here. Maybe I should remove it there. Yeah. Okay, I got my power bank here, and let's unbox the next one. So I know what is inside. In here it is it's my check. It is the self-adhesive photo paper. It is matte photo paper for my stickers. Yeah. So we will put it on its place. The next box package is something beautiful in here. So there are 2 packages. It's all in Chinese, so let's see what is inside. So it's the cold lamination. Remember that one that I was struggling with? So that is a new one, but with different pattern. It's dots, I think. In here it is dotted. Yeah. Did you see it well or not? So it's dotted. And the one that I used before was this one with the stars. So this is with the dots, and this is with the stars, the old one. Okay, let's take it away. And the next one is the printable vinyl sticker paper. So yeah, I got 50 sheets here and 30 sheets in there. So that's good. Sticker paper never be enough for me. So next one, what we will open, I guess that will be this huge box. This huge box. Right, so let's open it. Where is it? Ooh, I know what's inside. Right. So there must be, I'll try to do it carefully. Oh, something here too I need to open. Okay. that is the packaging. Yeah, that is the packaging. Oops. Good, I got a lot of boxes. So let's open it together. I decided to test the new packaging shop in order to send the... Oh, that is huge. That is huge. Okay. In order to send the boxes for the my reading journals, because yeah, it's huge. Maybe I should take this is the A3 format, and I think I should take the A4, but I decided to take it for this kind of the boxes. So the boxes is here. I decided to take yeah, so the box is here. You saw it in your eyes, so it was laying like this. So I take it and I make one push, and now it's ready to go to the customer. So let me show you what I want to do with this box. So I've got my reading journal in here. Of course, I will put the package in there, something sweet, something beautiful packaging, and beautiful packaging for my reading journal, and I can put my reading journal in this box. Yeah, it's a little bit high, but if someone ordered not only the reading journal but also stickers, it won't be bad. So okay, you put a journal here and then some of packaging, and then you make 1, 2, 3, and you put this sticker away. I know that maybe you'll see this packaging a lot in your country or anywhere, but this is a new packaging for my country and for me. So you put out the sticker up there, then you stick, and then when the package comes to the customer, you can see this one beautiful thing. This is a strip, and you pull the strip and you open the box. So yeah, this is beautiful packaging, I guess. And I want also to put this box to this big pink packaging. So yeah, put the box in order to make you happy. So yeah, I take for try 10 pieces, and I also want to and I also order another one. Let me show you one second. Three, 4, 5. That must be 6, and I got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. And I got this one box. This is also for the reading journal. I decided to take different packaging.
So what do we got in here? We got one. I never thought that I will be working and sending it with box because boxes is heavy, but safety is the most important. So yeah, this is the same thing. I put the packaging up there, I put my reading journal in here, and put some packaging up there, and 1, 2, 3, and it's ready to go to you. Yeah. think it's really nice. Also, I can put something that look notes, stationery, yeah. Okay, we will take it away. And I also take this one, packaging. This is also for stickers. I got a little bit smaller one. So I got the stickers in here. Let me take the right one. So yeah, I take the sticker and it's a little bit bigger, but I can work with it because the last that I ordered was a little bit smaller than than the size of my stickers. So yeah, but the companies here still didn't work with the custom sizes. If you made something, it's very weird to me, or if they work, they ask you to order about 2,000 or 3,000 at least. So this is only 100 pieces. Okay, and what else we got? We got the last one thing is the beautiful thing. Let's begin. So let's open this huge box up there. So let me take a good seat so we can. There is still the blackout, but we are doing okay. At least we have some light. So this is I guess the legs of the table. Yep, this is something. Yep, this is the table legs. And these. Oh, good. We have the light. Great. So I wasn't kidding when I said that there was a blackout. This is the table. Yeah. Good. This is the table. And my husband said that he is not going home right now because it's a blackout, and he will go to play some board. What I'm doing wrong? No. What is it? Yep, one leg is on. And we got another one. Right. And let's see what. Yeah. And the last one. This will be the table for my photo zone. Right, it's ready. It's ready. Yep. The cute little table for my photos. So we got the table, we got the light, we got a cute packaging, cute boxes, and we got tons of sticker paper. Can you imagine this one huge haul? So I want to thank you for being with me today, for supporting me, and I want you to leave in the comments what do you think of this kind of video, and please give me the buttons up, please subscribe if you like to watch how small business is growing. Please stay with me, and yeah, we got a lot of laugh today. I still smiling because you see all these cute things around me. Yeah, so I'm really happy and really excited, and thank you for supporting me. If not you, I guess we won't know. Thank you for your likes, for the ringing the bell, for the comments, and yeah, I also got something to grab in the post office tomorrow, and I guess there will be a lot of things too. So I will see you on my next Plan With Me video, and maybe I will open something cute too. I also will be making a video about my reading journal, so don't miss it. And yeah, that is all for today, and thank you for being with me whole day, whole blackout for 3 hours with me. Goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.